Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
In this video, we are removing and reinstalling an exterior door handle in a 2010 Volkswagen GTI. If you need any parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. Take your key, go underneath, pull off this cover. Take a flat blade tool, get underneath this rubber grommet. And then there's a little sticker right here. I'm going to pull the sticker off. With a T20, we're going to take this Torx screw up. There's a screw in here that you don't want to pull it out all the way. We just want to loosen it. But we're going to take our key, put this in here, turn it to the right. As we're pulling on it, loosen up the bolt. Oh, there we go. And that comes out. Pull the handle out, pull that straight forward, pull it to the outside, and pull it out. Install the door handle. Start with the back side. Feed that through. Back hole. You're gonna push it in and slide it towards the car. We're gonna reinstall this. We had it twisted slightly when we pulled it out, so we just want to turn it a little bit. Pull this door handle out. Before I tighten it up over here, I'm just going to make sure it works. And it does. Tighten this T20. That will lock the door lock in place. Just snug it up. Install this T20. Snug it down. Put our sticker back over the hole. Then our rubber grommet. Take our cover, pull the door handle out, slide in the top, and snap it in.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.